Okay. Hello everyone, I am running extremely late, oh my god. Today, what is happening? Today, I am meeting me lovely pal, Holly. She was in my last vlog, we went and got pizza. Today, we're going to Crackling. If you've never been to Crackling and you live in Newcastle, I greatly recommend it. And then, she's agreed to go plant shopping with me, which I'm very excited about. I have like one living like leafy plant that I've shown in many a video, and sadly I just think it's not salvageable. I don't think I'm ever going to be able to bring it back to life, so sadly I think I'm gonna replace it. Done a little bit of research and I've looked for ones that are quite easy to look after. We're gonna go to like a local plant shop on the Granger Market, if you're familiar with the tune. And we're also going to go to something botanics in Stack, so I'll take you along, or I'll at least try. I probably won't vlog me face because awkward human, but yeah, I'll take you around and then I will show you what we get. But I was meant to meet her at 1 and it's 1 now. Let's have a good rundown. I'm videoing because I did a little vlog thing. Hello. Hi friends! I filmed nothing. I think I filmed like 3 seconds worth of footage while I was out. Quick update, Crackling was closed. My heart broke because I was so excited for a goddamn award-winning sandwich, but life goes on. We ended up in Byron Burger and I had a vegan burger. I had a beatnik, which is basically like a beetroot-y, beanie kind of like patty, because beetroot's like one of my favourite things in the world, I've like recently discovered. So yeah, and no joke, I'm like converted. I think I would probably like, if I went back to Byron, I would get that versus like a meat alternative, because I effing loved it. It was so tasty. So yeah, try the beatnik. We ventured to House of Botanics in Stack. I'm just taking my shoes off, this is casual. Went there, it was very small, very cute, but actually I couldn't find really like what I was looking for, so we headed to the flowery plant shop in Granger Market. It's like the big stand that's in like the open space, if anyone wants to go. I really recommend it. It had like so many, do you know those plants that you see on like the Instagrams and they look really cool, but they weren't like the cool people prices, they were like the real human people prices. So happy days. I bought 2 plants. Oh, why are you running out of battery? Speed plant showing. Okay, I got myself a little rubber plant. It's in here. Let's do a little reveal. Woohoo! I got this really cute little rubber plant and this was £6. Very cute, very fun, very fresh. It's got little pink bits in the leaves, which I think is so cute. And yeah, how fun is that? And it's quite a nice little size for £6, and I really like it. And then I got a big boy. I got, I'm very bad with the names, but it's like a palm. Hello. Yeah, I got a parm, chicken parm. I don't know what else to say about it, but it's actually quite a big size, and that was £15. And I would say that is quite good because it's big. It's a big boy. I'm dead chuffed. I'm gonna pop them and I'm really excited about it. I also, on my way home, I walked past Poundland, so I popped myself into Poundland and I picked up some storage solutions, because who doesn't love a storage solution? So I bought 4 of these, which are just basically like black metal baskets, but I thought there's so many things you could use this for, like in your kitchen cupboards, on a coffee table or something, on a shelf, you know, to kind of categorize your things. But I thought they had lots of uses and they were £1 each, so I got 4. They sold out of black metal baskets because of me. So that is them. And then I just picked up the duck. I got the lavender flavour because I fancied trying it. So I got that for, let's guess, £1. And then I also got this, which I haven't tried before, have vaguely heard good things. This is the Ace like laundry bleach, which is for whites, because I have this fear that I'm going to ruin all of our white clothes. So that's where this stems from, basically. So that's all I got. That was my little mini haul. So for that lovely little accumulation of quite handy things and lovely decorative pieces, that was £27. Good morning. Good morning. Hello everyone, how are we today? I'm very well, thank you. Thanks for asking. Vlog came to quite an abrupt end yesterday, and that is because suddenly I realised I was in a rush because I was off to see James Blunt in concert, live and in the flesh. And I would like to tell you that he is cracking. I really had a great time.
Really sorry now for what they've done. There were 3 wise men to try to have some fun, and look who's alone now.
Absolutely incredible, basically. So yes, we had a lovely night. It was me, Tom, Tom's mum and Tom's sister, and yeah, it was lovely. But yes, that is why I just stopped vlogging quite abruptly. Today is a tidy day. Need a good tidy. It kind of builds up and then I'm like, oh no, oh no. So there may be a little clean with me, and it might be a fairly long one. So let's see what we can get done. Oh, before we undergo the clean with me, just very quickly, I've had my brows brow laminated. And actually, I think they look quite good. This is them with no product in. I think I'm a fan. I haven't brushed mine, and this one looks a little bit questionable, but I would say this one I'm quite a fan of. However, I'm just going to say right here, I really recommend it, but don't get it done like the day before a special event, because I'm not gonna lie, I absolutely hated mine for the first 3 days. I think this is the 4th day, and I now like them. I don't know if it's because mine are so bushy, so when she'd tinted them quite dark, it was very dramatic, very severe. So yes, but I now like them. So I would say if you're gonna get them done, get them like, you know, 4 days to a week before whatever you're going to, and you'll have a cracking time. I haven't used any brow product, so I guess it does save in that respect, but personally I don't know if I'd get them done again. We'll see, my opinion might change, but yeah, that's me brows. Let's get cleaning. did that little montage. Oh, I think I cleaned the bathroom soap dish. Very continual, or what, I don't know what that means. So we're now in night time. Tom has requested a ramen. So a ramen is what he's gonna get, but he's gonna get a simplistic ramen because I have none of the ingredients. So I'm currently just soft boiling the eggs. Alexa, stop. So I've got my ice bowl. Ow. Okay. Just in case you can hear that, I've like revived One Direction and I'm like, I've had the best day ever, just reliving the memes. I'm gonna have a quick little bash at the bathroom, might take you along, see what we get done. That's the coolest thing I've ever seen. Need a plant for there. Do you agree? We're going. Copyright music, so I'm just going to talk as much as I can. Back from shops. So we went to B&Q yesterday, yeah, a whole day passed, and then today we went to the Range, which has just absolutely blown my little mind. Thank you, my brother and his girlfriend Amy, for telling us we've got to go because life changing. So I'm going to do a super quick haul. So from B&Q we got 2 big pots of white paint. I think I took like videos of them. They're way too heavy for us to bring in here and show you. So it's white paint and it was on 2 for £20, which I've actually discovered was a very good deal. To go with the paint, we got trays and rollers. Trays and rollers, very good price. 2 trays, 2 rollers, we're good to go. For the ceilings, I'm a short woman and Tommy's a big man, but this is ease, isn't it? Oh, we got one of these bad boys. Oh my god, I'm sat down and I can nearly touch it. Happy days. We got that. I think that'll come in very handy. We could have borrowed me mum and dad's. However, last time I painted my room, I was doing the ceiling and it was dodgy and the roller fell off and hit me in the face. And that was not a fun experience. I mean, it was hilarious, but paint everywhere in the eyes. Not good, not good. I can't resist a garden section. So got some houseplant mix because I need to pot me plants very urgently. And then I also bought a black pot for me big boy. That is all we got from B&Q. And then today we went to the range, not with too much in mind, to be honest, but we always come across stuff that we're missing. So, bamboo cutlery tray, all about that, and it extends, which I find very exciting. I might as well quickly show you, because I know I would want to see it. What? I know, I'm buzzing about it. We got some velvet hangers, always handy. Kitchen roll, because you just can't be without it. It's epic. We also got 2 white vinegar sprays from... We got 2 white vinegar sprays because that and some soda crystals, your drains are just living their best life. I got some fake minkies because I find it really handy when they're different colours, because I can put them in different rooms, use them for different things, you know. I got some Linda McCartney vegetarian mozzarella quarter-pounder burgers, and I've realised they need to go in the freezer now because defrosting alert. I also got a hammer because why wouldn't you? And we are currently a hammerless household. Big purchase. Hello. Clothes rack, basically. I really wanted to get, oh shit, an aesthetically nice looking one with like wood, but I don't want to be too big for my boots. Like, I am obviously a 21-year-old homeowner and I can't afford everything to be really nice. So we've gotten a standard clothing rail and maybe we'll upgrade sometime. So that's me little haul. Wish me luck. I'm gonna try potting my plant.
And you'll see how